Hello everyone, my name is Cam and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server that allow you to add many different cool features and customizations such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called SimpleStaffChat. This is a simple and lightweight staff chat plugin for Bungee Cord and Spigot. Some of the key features this plugin offers is that it's easy to set up, works on any version from 1.7 to 1.16, supports placeholder API, and it's actively updated. So starting out, make sure to install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the icon on how to install plugins. After installing the plugin, restart and head into your server. Once there, I will now go over the commands for this plugin. The first command we will go over is how to talk in the staff chat. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to use the command /staffchat and then your message. This will send a message in the staff chat. Or you can also toggle the staff chat for all of your staff by using the command /staffchat toggle. You can also turn this off by typing the same command /staffchat toggle. The next command we will go over is if you ever need to mute the staff chat. To do so, type the command /staffchat mute. Then to unmute, just type the same command again. And, if need be, to reload the plugin's config, type the command /staffchat reload. The plugin is that simple. If you have any more questions or want to check out more features that this plugin has, I will leave the plugin page in the description. That is how you can incorporate the SimpleStaffChat plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.